Here's how to create a YouTube channel step by step without feeling overwhelmed by the process. We'll optimize your setting to make sure your channel is set up for success. And I think you'll want to watch the whole video because most people bypass most of these steps. And we know that YouTube is a great place to grow your business online, but it's also a great place to start your business online. You create content, you share it, and then you monetize it. So let's get started with step one and getting your YouTube channel account. YouTube is a Google product, and our first step is having a Google account. I'll show you two ways to set up your channel, with one being better than the other. The first way to set up your channel is if you already have a Google account. You can go to youtube.com and click on the profile pic in the top right corner and sign in. Here you can see if you already have a YouTube channel that maybe you forgot about and maybe want to use. If not, go down to settings. Under your YouTube channel, click on add or manage channel. Click on create channel. And just note you can have more than one channel under your Google account. We can now start to set up your YouTube channel with our channel name, but we want to set up our channel for success. So let's start with a brand new Google account. This way your channel is a completely separate entity and is not mixed up with your personal Google account or any of the Google products associated with your personal account. And having this separate account has a lot of benefits. There's privacy, security, there's tracking your analytics and not mixing any information up with personal data. It's easier to maintain consistent branding, and down the road, if you want to invite users to help manage your channel, it's super simple. So those are a few benefits of why I totally would make sure I had a separate Google account. And as you grow your channel, you'll see it will work better for you on a professional level. So let's start by signing out of any Google accounts we have. And let's start with a new one. Now we're on YouTube and click sign in. At the bottom, we'll be creating an account. Click on create account and select for work or my business. Click on create Gmail address for you and just do the normal sign up. Enter with first name, last name. Click next and continue to enter information requests like your birthday, things like that. Now you can enter your email address for your Google account, but I would pick get a Gmail address instead. Click on create your own Gmail address and then enter one. You'll check if it's available. It will let you know if it's taken. So you might have to try a couple times. Click on next, enter your password and confirm it. And as always, we want a secure password and we want to make sure that we have documented it in a secure place. We don't want to lose a password. Click on next and add a recovery email now for security because we usually forget to do this. And it helps if you ever get locked out or if there's an issue with your account, you want to enter a different email address than the one you just created. Click on next, review your account and click on next. Agree to the terms and then click on not now for setting up your business. You can always do that another time. It's to do with your Google My Business profile. And now that we have a Google account, let's set up your YouTube channel for success. So you're already signed into YouTube. So we're just going to click on your profile icon in the top right corner and then click create channel. Now we'll need to upload a profile picture, name your channel and choose a unique handle. Our profile picture should be clear, relevant to our channel, and if you're going to be the face of the channel, it should be a picture of you. The name is the name of the channel, and it will default to your Google account you just set up, but you can change it. Just know you can only change your channel name twice within a 14-day period. This is the start of branding your channel. You want your name to be relevant to your channel, unique, and memorable for your brand identity. And if you can't come up with any ideas, use the free versions of AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI to help you out. Ask for a list of 15 YouTube channel names for whatever your YouTube channel is about. I would also make sure there isn't any established big accounts with similar names, and I would even go as far as to find out whether the social accounts or domain names are available. Just thinking long-term about your business, because you never know, your channel might explode and you'll want to claim all those other social properties. Now, when you're setting up your handle, you should know a couple of things. It's your YouTube address, the link to your YouTube channel. For instance, the link to the YouTube channel you're watching right now is youtube.com/@TraciGurney. So you want it to be relevant and easy to remember as well, and it will also show up whenever you make comments. If there is an existing handle, you will get a red mark because each handle needs to be unique. And just like your name, you can change your handle twice within 14-day period, and your name and handle can be different. And just remember, if you delete your Google account, you will delete your YouTube data. Whenever we want to access the back end of our channel to make changes, upload videos, go live, see your analytics, things like that, we need to go to YouTube Studio. And we get there by going to the profile pic in the top right corner, clicking on it and scrolling down to YouTube Studio. By the way, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as it helps me to know what type of video to make. Back to setting up your channel. Verify your channel. Now, verification is key to unlocking important features on your YouTube channel. So the first thing we want to do is verify our channel. So we're going to go to settings near the bottom of the page, click on channel, then feature eligibility, and we'll click on the intermediate features and click verify by phone. We want to make sure we unlock features like our custom thumbnails, which are crucial to growing our channel, longer videos, live streams, and eventually monetization. Enter our phone number. We will be sent a code. Once you have the code, just enter the code, close down the window, and go back to YouTube Studio. The last one would be the advanced features, but you can't do that with a phone call. You'll either need to upload valid ID, video verification, or have about 2 months of channel history. You do want the advanced features. It's just whether you want them now or can wait until your channel has some history. Now, you need to advance features to get monetized, but my suggestion, unless you want to post or go live multiple times a day, want to A/B test your thumbnails immediately, or add external links right away, like affiliate links or links to your products, I would wait until your channel gets some history. Step 4, we're going to optimize your channel settings. Continuing on to make sure our channel gets as many views as possible, we're going to go back to settings, to channel, to basic info. We want to make sure we put our country of residence, not who we're aiming our channel to reach, but where we live. And we want to put some general terms and keyword phrases that represent our channel. For this test channel that I'm creating right now, I'll put in YouTube, YouTube tools, tools for YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, all things that would relate to this channel. I would also add the channel name and or handle. Now click on advanced settings in the same area. This is super important. If your channel is not made for kids, then make sure to click the no, set this channel as not made for kids. There are channel online privacy protection acts and other laws that you need to be aware of if you do make content for kids. So make sure you do your research if you do want to create a channel for kids. The other option I check is the automatic captions, and I check don't show potentially inappropriate words, because sometimes mistakes happen, and if I'm going to show an inappropriate word, I want to know that it was my intention. Click on save. Step 5 I would do is setting up my upload defaults. We're going to go to our upload default advanced setting, and this is so that every time we upload our videos, this information is already set. We don't have to add it. I do have a video that goes even further into default settings with a standard video description template that includes call to action, social media links, playlists, and things like that, which I'll add in the video description. But for now, just go to settings, upload defaults, click on advanced settings. Go to video language, and we're going to check whatever video language is. In my case, it will be English. We're also going to check the category. If I know all my videos are going to be educational, I'm going to check that. If I have a video that doesn't fall under this, I can always change it when I upload it. But this is just, again, so I don't have to do it each time. Then I'm going to do my title and description language as English. Click on save. We have one more setting to do on our default uploads. Go back to settings, upload defaults, basic info, and to visibility. Select private. Click on save. Otherwise, if you upload a video, it will be posted on your channel if it's set to public. And we want to make sure that we have optimized our upload before we ever publish it. So keep it on private. So we're going to make our channel even better, and we're really going to let YouTube know what our channel is about by giving more information in our about section. Go to customization on the left side, basic info, and we're going to fill in the description. Now, if you have a problem filling that in, let's go over to Claude AI for a little help. Just enter that you want a description for your YouTube channel and let it know what your YouTube channel is about. And it will come up with a base description. Because of time, I'm just pasting this in from Claude AI, but I would not do that. I would take the core contents it gives me and personalize it in my voice, because this can help attract subscribers and build a community around your channel. Now scroll down to contact info and add an email address in order for people to contact you. Use a different email account than the one you just created that is attached to your YouTube account, just for security and best practices. Now we can add links. If you have social accounts, a website, add them here. If not, I would put in at least a subscribe link. And this is just another opportunity to get your audience to subscribe. And the way you do that is you just put your YouTube URL, which is YouTube and your handle, and then put a question mark, sub, underscore, confirmation equals 1. Make sure to click on publish whenever you make changes. Let's see what that looks like. Click on view channel and you see that right at the top is the first part of your description and the link underneath, as well as is in your about description. Now, when someone clicks on subscribe, a pop-up will appear asking them to confirm the channel subscription. Also note what you see from your description. You want to make sure it has the important information up front because it does get cut off. Next thing we're going to do is arrange our channel to help our audience know what videos to watch. We're still in customization, but have moved over to layout, and this is what someone sees when they visit your channel. I always add a section which is called my popular videos because they're popular, so I would want to make sure that they're at the top of the channel. You can move the sections around, delete a section. Once you have a playlist, which is a collection of videos, you can add them here. You can also add different types of feature videos, ones for new users and ones for returning users. Make sure to click on publish if you made changes. Once you have a few videos, come back here and start adding to this layout. Regularly update your layout based on viewers' feedback and performance of your videos to optimize engagement. And because we want to earn from our YouTube channel, we're going to make sure we go to the earn section. Click on earn and go down to the email button in order to be notified when your channel is eligible for monetization. They do have different tiers, and make sure to turn on two-step verification, otherwise you won't be eligible to have your channel monetized until you do. Now, because your YouTube channel is going to be successful, you may want to have some people help you with your channel. All you do is go to settings, permissions, and you can invite people to help with your channel. They can do things like uploading and publishing your video, checking your analytics, managing your live streams, and you can have multiple people and there are multiple roles. The people you invite do need to have a Gmail account in order to access your YouTube channel. It does not give them access to your Google account, and you can remove them at any time. If you do add someone, make sure to click on save. To finish it off, let's give this channel a vibe. Let's go to customization and branding. If we like our profile pic, we'll leave as is. Otherwise, we can change it by clicking on change, but I'll leave this for now. And we want to add a banner. It should be relatable and have the vibe of your YouTube channel, and also have something about what your YouTube channel is about so your audience knows they're at the right place. If you need inspiration, check out other successful channels or Pinterest for design ideas. There's also free graphic programs out there where you can get inspiration from, and I would use Canva. I'll put a link in the description box below. I have the pro version, but the free edition will get you to where you need to be, and they have a ton of free YouTube banner templates. Sign up, search for a YouTube banner template, change it with your channel name, and customize it. Once you're done customizing it, just save it as a JPEG and download it. Go back to YouTube Studio to upload your banner. For this video, to save time, I just grabbed this banner. I used it in another video that walks you through the steps on how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. Just click on the link above or in the video description below to see it. Because one of the issues with some YouTube banner templates is they don't look the same on all screen sizes and devices. And as you can see, once you've uploaded the banner, it shows you what is viewable on what devices. Because on mobile, it's different from the desktop, which is different from TV. So you always want to make sure your core information is in the spot where it can be seen on all devices. We're also going to add a watermark, and this is just a little subscribe icon that shows up on the right-hand corner of your video to remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. You can create it in Canva as well. Click to upload and add it. I would click on the running on the bottom of the screen, the whole video option, and then I would click on publish. After you upload your first video, you'll actually see that running on the bottom of your video. Now we want to see our banner, so we're going to click on view channel to see what it looks like. And if you don't see it, just hit refresh and it will show up. And just before I finish, there's one last setting I want to talk about, and that's blocked words in your comments. People leave comments and words and things that might not align with what you're about, or some people just aren't nice. And so I'm going to block those words, and I'm also going to block any promotional or spammy content. So go to settings, community, scroll down to block words, and enter any words you don't want showing up in your comments. And you could do the same for links. I don't want people putting links in my comments because they're usually spam type links. Click on save. Now the last thing to do is upload, so make sure to check out where I cover how to upload and optimize your first video, because we want to make sure we've got that done right. And there you have it. Your YouTube channel is now set up and optimized for success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my next video by clicking the link on the screen or in the description to watch it now. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this type of video, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.